everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my bedroom. I mean, we're always in my bedroom, but I'm getting a little personal today. It's nighttime and I'm filming my fall nighttime routine. Before we get into the video, I really want to thank IHERB for sponsoring this video. This has probably been my most requested video, and when IHERB reached out and wanted to sponsor it, I could not turn that down because I've been a longtime fan of that company and that website ever since my sister Allie introduced me to it a long time ago. IHERB has over 30,000 products and ships to over 160 countries. That is so amazing. They make finding certain products really easy and accessible, which I am so appreciative of. And as usual, you can check the description box for all of the links of the products that I mentioned in this video. I also have my little best friend right here, Leo, who loves relaxing with me at nighttime. I love fall, it's my favorite season, but when fall comes, so does the stress of school and work and all of the anxiety and headaches that come with it. Even though I'm not in school this year, I definitely have my fair share of experience with the stresses that go along with university and college and high school and work. So I thought that I would sit down and tell you guys my nighttime routine during fall when I'm feeling a little bit stressed, overworked, and on the brink of a nervous breakdown. So I know that during the fall time, typically I'm getting my work done at night. I went to school during the day, or now I work during the day and I get work done at nighttime. Typically when I'm at school, I'm studying, and now I typically edit videos at nighttime or fill orders, and sometimes it just becomes way too much for me to handle. I can't even count how many times I've fallen asleep while reading books, and now I'm falling asleep at my computer while editing, or just really overworked and tired. I'm going to show you the things that I do when I need to take a little break from studying, a little break from working, or when I'm done studying and working. I'd like to do these things to really calm down, put myself in the right mindset to go to sleep and have a good night's sleep. If you know me, then you know that scents are really important. I always have my house filled with scents that are calming and relaxing, and after a long day of work or school, I think it's really important to really fill your home with scents that make you feel relaxed. For me, I've been really into oil diffusers. They're also really amazing because they can fill your house with scents that are very beneficial to your mental health and your overall happiness. I love vanilla, rose, sandalwood, but when I'm feeling particularly stressed or overworked, I use lavender. Lavender has so many amazing health benefits, not to mention it smells freaking amazing. I love when my room fills with lavender. Another thing is when I steam my bed sheets. Yes, I'm crazy, I steam my bed sheets. I'll put a little bit of oil in my steamer, which I know is not good. It's probably messing up my steamer, but it was really inexpensive from Costco, so I don't really mind. This puts the scent of lavender in my bed sheets and it smells so good. The next thing I like doing to calm me down, and what I've been really doing recently, is playing classical music, like when you're in a spa, or like spa music. I have speakers throughout my house and it puts me in such a good mood, kind of like the music I'm playing right now. It is just the best thing to fall asleep to. I always fall asleep to some sort of like classical music playing when I'm showering. I love just having it playing in my house, specifically in this time of the year. I know it's not everyone's cup of tea. You can play whatever music you like, but classical music, if you haven't tried it, is very relaxing and mellowing. So I always try to play it at nighttime. The next thing I do is take a shower. Now this may seem like common sense, but trust me, this saved me on those long nights of studying and working, because sometimes I will think that I've reached my breaking point in studying. I'll be like, I can't study any longer, I can't remember anything else, and then I will go and take a shower. Showers really were helpful for me when I was staying up really late. Sometimes I would even take 2 or 3 in a night because they woke me up, and then I would feel recharged for a few more hours. After my shower, I would feel so much more awake and so much more energized, and it really gave me that boost that I needed to continue on with my night. Take a shower every single night. I can't go to sleep without it. It really helps me calm down, and it's even better if you get to wash your hair. I feel like the longer I'm in the shower, the better, not only because I don't have to think about work when I'm in the shower, I just really focus on myself. I just love showers. It's just like my favorite part of my night. In the shower, I've been loving mane and tail. Mane and tail is the best shampoo for the price. You will not be able to beat it. And it's actually really funny because when I was younger, my friend Nikki told us about mane and tail, and at that time you had to buy it in the pet section, and it's known to make your hair long and very shiny. It used to be very hard to find, but now you can find it on iHerb. It's very affordable. They even have a formula now that's specifically designed for hair growth. I don't wash my hair every single night. I wash my hair once a week, so I'm not washing it tonight, but when I do, I use the shampoo, rinse it off, leave the conditioner in for 2 to 3 minutes, rinse it out, and then my hair feels so soft. Trust me, if you're on a budget, mane and tail shampoo is the way to go. I'm not going to show you guys exactly what I do with my skincare because I am going to be doing a dedicated skincare video because I've been getting a lot of questions about that. But one thing I want to talk about is this brush. This is a natural bristle brush, and I use this instead of one of those pulsating face brushes that I used to use because, first of all, you don't have to charge it. Charging those face brushes used to be a pain. I would use it till the battery ran out and then forget to charge it. And I also feel like it does a better job at exfoliating your skin. You probably shouldn't use this every single day, but when you do want a good exfoliation, this does a great job at scrubbing your face, getting all the makeup off, and just cleaning your face really well. I promise you, when you use this, you will feel like your face is a bajillion times cleaner. Also really, really inexpensive and affordable. Every single time I'm in the shower, I exfoliate. I love the feeling, and the scent of this particular exfoliator is out of this world. I like an exfoliator that's kind of in a base of an oil because it moisturizes your skin while it exfoliates. This exfoliator has really fine particles, so it really feels like you're exfoliating. I don't like, you know, those creams with a few little exfoliating particles because I feel like that is not doing anything to my skin. I also exfoliate at the end of my shower just because I feel like at that point all of my skin is kind of like loose. I don't want to say loose because by that point my skin is hydrated and whatever dead skin I have will come off a lot easier. When I get out of the shower, I always make sure that I moisturize when I'm still wet. And this is something I don't think a lot of people do. I find that it locks moisture in a lot better if I moisturize while my skin is still wet. And it's also a lot faster because moisturizer glides better when it's mixed with water. After my shower, I always tone my face. I love Thayer's Witch Hazel, and then I brush my teeth. I'm a huge teeth advocate, and you guys are always asking me what I use to get my teeth so white. So this is my favorite toothpaste. I love and always use a toothpaste with whitening in it, and then I always like a rougher toothbrush. This is a natural bristle toothbrush, and I feel like it gets my teeth so clean. I also like bigger toothbrushes. I used to use like a little circular one, and this one I feel like gets the job done really quickly. I love that it's a natural bristle because I don't know why, I just feel like it's getting my teeth cleaner. And like this, I can just use this toothpaste instead of having to sit there with whitening strips on. If I have the time and I'm not completely exhausted, I will tan because tanning does make you feel better the next day. And even if you're tired, I promise you will be thankful that you fake tanned the night before. You can check out my tanning video. I will link it down below for my exact tanning routine and the tanning products that I use. And after my shower and my skincare is done, I come back to my room where it's filled with the scent of lavender, and I'm feeling at peace and very relaxed. I will have a tea at nighttime. I love coffee, but at nighttime I always have a tea, and my favorite is the Organic India True Wellness Tulsi Sleep Tea. It's certified organic and caffeine free, which is exactly what you want before going to bed. I fell in love with this when my sister bought it, and I stole a few tea bags, and I've been hooked ever since. It really does calm you, and it tastes really nice. Just a few of the benefits of this is that it reduces stress, supports the immune system, it is abundant in antioxidants, builds stamina, it's a powerful adaptogen, aids digestion, anti-aging, balances metabolism, balances energy levels, and uplifts mood. So this is just, it's amazing for you. Of course, depending on the time, if it's 2 or 3 in the morning, I just go right to bed. But if I have a few moments, I will put on a TV show. I've been loving Gossip Girl recently. I love it. Or when I was in school, I would take that time to finish up readings and get everything done for the day. Before I go to bed, I always apply lip balm. I've been using Aquaphor for so long, ever since I can remember in high school. I love Aquaphor. I put a lot on before I go to bed, so much to the point where I can actually feel it the next morning, and it makes my lips so smooth because I have the driest lips, especially in the fall and winter. And then I keep these next to my bed and take 2 every night before I go to bed. They are the Nature's Bounty Extra Strength Hair, Skin, and Nails Argan Oil Infused Health and Beauty pills because I will not remember to do it otherwise. I keep them right next to my bed, and I've definitely seen a difference in my hair since I've taken this. I know I have extensions. I'm not trying to say it grew, but definitely in how shiny my hair is, in my nails, and of course my skin. All in winter, you definitely want to do as much as you can for your skin, so I love these. After that, I'll turn off my lights and go to sleep. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. All products will be linked down below. I want to thank iHerb once again for sponsoring this video, and I will see you back here next time.